HTML class attribute. HTML class attributes are used to specify one or more class names for an HTML element. Multiple HTML elements can share the same class, and the class name can be used by CSS and JavaScript to perform certain tasks for elements with the specified class name. How to add class attributes in HTML? You have to create two files, index.html and styles.css files. First thing, add the link of styles.css file in index.html file, inside link tag. Here I have created .myClass class. If we add this class to p tag, then it will apply the whole style of that class to p tag. Let's look into a real-time example. Here the default color of the text is black and text size is small. Let me add class with the name .myClass inside styles.css file and add the properties like color as green and font size as 50 pixel. If we refresh the page, we see nothing changed. That's because we haven't added styles link inside the HTML page. Let me add styles.css file reference inside link tag. And add the class attribute to p tag. Refresh the browser. Now you can see styles added successfully. Let me add one more property called background color as gray and refresh the page. Importance of class attributes. Class attributes can be used to group related elements and apply styles or functionality to them. Class attributes can be used to create reusable styles and functionality across multiple pages on a website. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more web development tutorials. And please visit our additional sheet.com website.